Hi, this is Jacqueline, and I will be showing you the agency deactivation and deletion feature today. So let's go ahead and log in as the root. So once we go to the admin tab, you'll see that there's agency management, and here's where we get to delete or deactivate any of the agencies. So you'll see that we have the delete and deactivation option for all of the agencies. So let's go ahead and go to the test agency, and we're going to try the deactivation. So once we click deactivate, it takes us to this confirmation page. Just to make sure that that is what we want to do, we click confirm, and once we go back in, you'll see that it is deactivated. But on top of that, any users that are under this agency are now deactivated as well. So let's say we go into the user management, we can see here that this test user is under the deactivation, is under the test agency as well. So when we click here, you'll see that they are now deactivated, and you can reactivate them. But since they are deactivated, they no longer have the ability to log in either. So once the agency is deactivated, when we try to add a new user and we are picking the agencies, the deactivated agency will not show up on the list of agencies to pick from. So that's another feature that comes with deactivating an agency. So we'll go back to the agency and activate it again, confirm. You'll see that it is now activated, and once we go back to the user management, the user is no longer deactivated. Now you can just deactivate it individually. The agency management, and we're going to go ahead and try the deletion. So delete, again, confirmation page, just to make sure that's what we want to do. So we'll click confirm, and you'll see that the agency is no longer listed under the agency management. So once we go to the user management, you'll see that the test user that we had is also no longer here, since they were under that same agency. So any users that are under that agency, which gets deleted, the users also get deleted as well, just as the deactivation works too. So that's basically the rundown for agency deletion and deactivation. Thank you for watching.